Hello everyone, this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Google Doc. Try to add watermark to your document Google Doc to make it more official and more business minded. Yes, I can get it done. So first, watermark to your document. Click on this toolbar which is insert and drag your mouse down a little bit. Click on watermark. Right here, you have to option and simply put image as watermark, or can simply use the text format. So I'm going to use the tool right now. See how it goes. So right here, I'm going to put media. So since I don't have any watermark, like here, then since I don't have any watermark, I can just simply mouse it. I want to use this my YouTube channel, which is Twoguysfinance. Also, right here you can change the scaling. From the scaling reference to be around 50. So that means it's going to be a bit smaller. So to make this with 100, it is automatic. So if you want it to be faded, so you should okay. So faded will be okay. Yeah. So when you turn it up, it's also in the text format. The watermark just includes this right here. So Twoguysfinance. So you can see right here, two guys. Good. Want to make it horizontal or diagonal? Which is the best? Diagonal is the best. Right here, you can decide to change the format, the font rather. You can set it to this, which is the font. Then you want to increase the font size. You can increase it. Then like to bold, want to italics, want to have text color. You see, I want the text color to be blue. You can see she's so good. Then the transparency level, let's make it the transparency little. You can see this is okay. Then so to change the increase the size. Front of the text or behind the text. Just bring it to the front of the text in the direction. Once you're done, then click on 1, 6. That video of